This is the SC Project CR-T exhaust for the Kawasaki Z800 from 2013 to 2016. This slip-on exhaust includes a bike-specific link pipe of 60 millimeters for direct bolt-on installation. The CR-T exhaust is the loudest SC Project exhaust in the SC Project lineup to give your bike the most sound possible. The SC Project sticker is included, and make sure to get yours at accessoryinternational.com. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.